What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel where I talk about Bitcoin miners and Bitcoin mining stuff. My name is Ryan and this is my Avalon Q. Now, as you can see, she's looking kind of disgusting, and so today we're going to do some cleaning and some maintenance, and I thought I'd make a quick video just to show you exactly how this is done. Now, these things are magnets for dust. They suck in a bunch of air, and so every couple of weeks you have to clean out the filter, and that ensures that it can breathe well and it runs cool and it stays happy while it's mining away. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right down to business. First thing you want to do is remove the Wi-Fi dongle. That's a weird word, but you just pop that out, sit it on the desk, right like that. And then this is kind of tough, but you want to get your fingers behind the top of this thing and just give it a nice tug, and it just pops right out like that. So the first time I did this, I thought I was going to break this thing because it's in there pretty tight. You've got to give it a nice tug. It's held in by these right here, and you got to pull it pretty hard, but they will pop loose. Just, pull it, use some force, it'll work. The next thing I do is I take this handy air gun right here, and I blow all the dust out. See all that stuff coming out? Then I like to wipe all this down with a cloth. Beautiful, and as you can see, this is now nice and clean. Beautiful. So then we pop this back on, and then reinsert the dongle. Hate that word. All right, that's all there is to it. So now she's all clean and ready to get back to mining. So now she's back in action and she is mining away. It's really that simple. So I hope you enjoyed this little educational video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. And always remember, a clean Q is a happy Q.